Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for leading a happier and more productive life. However, with busy schedules and life demands, it may seem challenging to stay on track with healthy choices. Luckily, there are practical tips that one can implement into their daily routine to improve overall wellness. In this blog post, we will be discussing tips on how to live a healthy lifestyle, including diet, exercise, stress reduction, and sleep. Follow these tips to maintain a healthier you. 1. Change old habits into healthy ones. When it comes to breaking old habits and forming new, healthy ones, it is important to establish a pattern of change. Visualizing oneself as successful in making these changes can make it easier to break the habit. One effective way to do this is by replacing the unwanted behavior with a different one. Changing the environment in which habits form can also be helpful. It is important to take a closer look at the benefits that come from breaking the old habit. At first, it may be difficult to cut back on old habits, but reducing variability can make it easier. Making quick phone calls or checking in with key employees can provide a needed status check the old-fashioned way. Overall, engaging in habit changes and self-improvement is key to vitality and well-being. 2. The need to get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining good health and preventing various diseases and disorders. Lack of sleep can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, obesity, and even dementia. It not only affects physical health but also impairs cognitive and emotional functions. Sleep deficiency can cause irritability, mood swings, and affect decision-making and problem-solving abilities. Good sleep quality is equally important as adequate sleep duration. Poor sleep quality can make one feel tired and sleepy even after getting enough sleep. It is recommended to set a regular bedtime routine and aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Quality sleep can improve concentration, productivity, enhance athletic performance, and help maintain a healthy weight. Therefore, it is essential to prioritize sleep as an integral part of a healthy lifestyle. 3. The importance of exercise and relaxation. Regular exercise and relaxation are crucial for maintaining a healthy mind and body. Engaging in physical activity is an effective way to reduce stress hormones and stimulate the production of endorphins that contribute to relaxation. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, acupuncture, and massage therapy can also help the body produce endorphins. Finding enjoyment through laughter and other activities can also promote muscle relaxation and reduce pain. Exercise and meditation both boost oxygen and blood flow to the brain, which promotes the formation of new brain cells. By focusing on the rhythm of movements during physical activity, one can experience many of the same benefits of meditation. Furthermore, regular exercise improves brain health, helps manage weight, reduces disease, strengthens bones and muscles, and improves overall well-being. Therefore, incorporating exercise and relaxation techniques into one's lifestyle is essential for optimal health and well-being. 4. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet is important for maintaining good health. A balanced diet includes a variety of foods from all the 5 food groups: fruits, vegetables, dairy, grains, and protein. To make most of their meals, individuals should aim for half of their plate to be filled with vegetables and fruits of different colors and types. Consuming different types of protein like seafood, lean meats, and beans is also important for a balanced diet. Eating at least 400 grams, or 5 portions, of fruits and vegetables per day is recommended. This helps to provide the necessary vitamins, minerals, and fiber that the body needs for normal function. Sticking to a healthy and balanced diet can also help maintain a healthy weight and prevent chronic diseases. By following simple ways to prepare food and eating a variety of healthy foods, individuals can achieve a diversified, balanced, and healthy diet. 5. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health and well-being. According to factual data, balancing calorie intake with physical activity is key to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Gradual weight loss, at a pace of about 1 to 2 pounds per week, is more successful in the long term. Drinking water and avoiding sugary drinks can also aid in maintaining a healthy weight. Finding enjoyable types of physical activity and continuing to use behavioral strategies, such as using exercise as a response to stress, is necessary for sustaining weight management. A balanced diet with an energy intake that matches daily usage is also important. Those above their recommended healthy weight or BMI should consider incorporating healthier eating habits and increased physical activity into their lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall health and should be prioritized by all individuals. 6. Improve eating and physical activity. Improving eating habits and increasing physical activity are essential for maintaining optimal health. Consuming a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods can provide the necessary nutrients required to fuel daily activities, including exercise.